In 2005, the Indian Tiruchi Rifle Factory began developing the Destroyer anti-material sniper rifle, which officially entered service in 2007. However, friends familiar with weapons should have no trouble seeing that the Destroyer is essentially the Indian version of the South African NTW-20 anti-material sniper rifle. India had previously purchased 400 to 500 NTW-20 rifles from South Africa. However, the Destroyer is not an exact copy. It underwent its own development process. Its appearance is basically the same as the NTW-20, and it is a manually operated rifle with a total length of about 2 meters and a weight of nearly 30 kilograms. The Destroyer has a barrel over 1 meter long, with different lengths depending on the caliber. The NTW-20 can fire 3 types of ammunition: 14.5 by 114 mm, 20 by 82 mm, and 20 by 110 mm, while the Destroyer can fire 12.7 by 108 mm, 14.5 by 114 mm, and 20 by 82 mm ammunition, each with its own corresponding barrel. The 12.7 mm version of the rifle weighs 25 kilograms, is 1.7 meters long, has a muzzle velocity of 845 meters per second, and an effective range of 1,800 meters. The 14.5 mm version weighs 29 kilograms, is 2.015 meters long, has a muzzle velocity of 1,080 meters per second, and an effective range of 2,300 meters. The 20 mm caliber version weighs 26 kilograms, has a shorter barrel, is 1.795 meters long, has a muzzle velocity of only 720 meters per second, and an effective range of 1,300 meters. Each type of ammunition has its advantages. The 14.5 mm ammunition balances range and power, but adds considerable weight, while the 20 mm ammunition has a slower initial velocity but explosive capability. Regardless of the type, the rifle uses a 3-round magazine, with the insertion port located on the left side of the rifle. The standard sniper rifle comes with an 8x magnification scope with parallax adjustment capability. During marches, the sniper rifle can have the barrel removed, and all components and ammunition packed into 2 carry bags for easy transport. With a complete set of accessories, the user can change calibers without the need for any tools, just by replacing the barrel, magazine, and bolt. Despite the frequent disappointments of India's military industry, the Destroyer anti-material sniper rifle can be considered a successful product. The performance of the firearm itself is average, but compared to the NTW-20, it is lighter by a few kilograms and much cheaper. It is reported that a single NTW-20 sold for 2.3 million rupees in 2011, while the Destroyer is priced at only 1 million rupees, saving half of the procurement cost and also developing the country's military industry. However, it must be recognized that the biggest flaw of the Destroyer is its length. A nearly 30 kilogram, 2 meter long sniper rifle is not easy to handle. In recent years, some advanced anti-material weapons have been striving to shorten their length and reduce weight. For example, Canada's LRT-3 weighs less than 12 kilograms and is less than 1.4 meters long, which better meets the tactical needs of soldiers. It is said that the accuracy of the Destroyer is not very high, with some posts mentioning its accuracy as 3 MOA, which may be related to India's lack of high-precision firearms manufacturing technology. The first to be equipped with the Destroyer was the Indian Border Forces, followed by the Indian Black Cat Special Forces. Later, there were reports of dissatisfaction from the Indian Army, as they were looking for an anti-material sniper rifle weighing less than 15 kilograms, with an accuracy of 1 MOA, and the Destroyer clearly fell short.